Canadians have been telling us that it's a challenge, that it's causing issues for their eye health, and that's why we launched Screens Off for Sight.
Over the past 2 years of the pandemic, Canadians have been consumed by screens.
Now it's time for a break from the digital to serve a deserving cause. Canadians across the country are turning off their screens for 24 hours to raise funds for vision research and to promote eye health.
Canadians were telling us at the start of the pandemic that they were spending more time looking at TV, computer screens in particular, online learning, and their phones, video games. Specsaver Canada did a survey in February 2022, and 43% of Canadians felt that their eyesight had worsened during the pandemic.
According to Statistics Canada, in 2020, over 60% of adults increased their screen time. And another study found that children watched screens for more than 3 hours a day after schools closed during the pandemic.
Over 8 million Canadians are living with a blinding eye disease that puts them at significant risk of losing their sight. That includes 1.2 million Canadians that have uncorrectable vision loss. So we haven't found the treatment to restore their sight, which is the work of Fighting Blindness Canada's research effort.
Eye physician and surgeon Dr. Jennifer Rahman says when we stare at a screen for long periods of time, we blink less, which can damage our eyes.
We are susceptible to getting more dryness, and this is especially bad for people who have dry eye already and people who have a condition that we call blepharitis, which is a very common condition, irritation, inflammation of the eyelids, and also people who wear contact lenses. And with this, you can have dry, itchy, burny eyes.
To help protect our eyes, the Canadian Association of Optometrists recommends the 20-20-20 rule while watching screens. For every 20 minutes of screen time, look 20 feet away for 20 seconds to give your eyes a break. Other tips include using eye drops during long Zoom calls, maintaining a healthy diet, and practicing good ergonomics, like making sure your screen is directly in front of you at eye level.
In general, you should get your eyes checked routinely by an optometrist who can send you to an ophthalmologist if there are any problems or concerns that are picked up on a routine examination.
In Winnipeg, Breanna Marcelo, City News.